10 Benefits of Bay Leaves. Bay leaves, known for the distinct aroma and flavor, are a staple in many kitchens around the world. However, these leaves offer more than just culinary benefits. Packed with essential nutrients and bioactive compounds, bay leaves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. In this article, we'll explore the top 10 health benefits of bay leaves. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Bay leaves are a powerful source of antioxidants, which help protect your body from oxidative stress and free radical damage. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. 2. Supports digestive health. Bay leaves are known to promote healthy digestion. They stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, helping to alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Bay leaves are also believed to reduce the risk of gastric ulcers. 3. Helps manage diabetes. Bay leaves have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. This makes them a beneficial addition to the diet of those managing diabetes or looking to prevent it. 4. Boosts immune system. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaves help strengthen the immune system. Consuming bay leaves can protect the body from infections and boost overall immunity. 5. Reduces inflammation. Bay leaves contain compounds such as parthenolide and eugenol that have strong anti-inflammatory effects. These properties make bay leaves effective in reducing inflammation, which can help alleviate pain and discomfort associated with conditions like arthritis. 6. Supports heart health. Bay leaves contain phytonutrients that promote heart health by improving circulation and reducing cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of bay leaves can help lower the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular function. 7. Aids in respiratory health. Bay leaves have been traditionally used to treat respiratory conditions such as colds, coughs, and bronchitis. The leaves can be boiled in water to create a steam inhalation that helps clear mucus from the lungs and soothe the throat. 8. Promotes hair and skin health. Bay leaves are rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair and skin. They help reduce dandruff, improve scalp health, and can be used in skin treatments to combat acne and other skin issues. 9. Acts as a natural detoxifier. Bay leaves have natural detoxifying properties that help cleanse the body. They support liver function and aid in the elimination of toxins, contributing to overall health and well-being. 10. Relieves stress and anxiety. The soothing properties of bay leaves can help reduce stress and anxiety. Bay leaves are often used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and mental clarity. Burning bay leaves has been traditionally believed to calm the mind and relieve stress. Incorporating bay leaves into your daily routine is easy, whether in cooking or as part of a natural health regimen. With their wide range of health benefits, bay leaves are more than just a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes. They are a valuable ally in maintaining overall health and well-being.